Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on show pronunciation on Duolingo. Before that, we just need to open Duolingo. After opening it, here on the left, you can see here many options, and here is the last option. You can see here more. Click on that. And from here as an option, you can see here settings. Click on that. And from here scrolling down, here is a section. You can see the language that you had been chosen to study. And in that section, as an option, you can see here your pronunciation. And on the right side of that, you can see that it had been turned off. So by clicking it, you can turn it on. So now you can see that you had been turned on show pronunciation on Duolingo. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.